أعزائي المشاهدين، كما عودناكم في برنامجكم الأسبوعي برنامج إماراتي، أنا نستضيف لكم خيرة من دولة الإمارات العربية المتحدة. ولهذا الأسبوع نستضيف السيد رافي رشمندان، المدير التنفيذي لشركة كونزول في إمارة الشهرة. Good afternoon, Mr. Ravi.
Good afternoon.
At the first, welcome to our program, and it is our pleasure to visit your amazing office. Let us to know more about Ravi.
Sure. I'm born and brought up in Dubai, so I've been here all my life. And I went to the US for my higher education. And once I completed that, I returned back to Dubai to join my father's family business, which is Kutchins. We have a garment business here in Dubai, and we've got several showrooms. So I was part of that journey and that growth as well during those years. I was also in and out of the corporate world. I served a role of financial analyst in the World Trade Center and a couple of other investment firms. And I was in and out during those years. And then in 2014, around end of 2014, I realized that I wanted to do something different, diversify into something completely new. It was more like a, let's say, a fascination with bigger volume trades, manufacturing. So I reconnected with someone very close to us, Mr. Dev Bulani, who has many offices in West Africa. And then we made a trip to that part of the world, and we identified this product, and that's how Kenzol was born, as a partnership with them, with TC Sons Group. And yeah, and then since then there's no looking back.
As a person you born in United Arab Emirates and you grow, I'm sure you have the experience and you was ready to establish a business. How it was the process? From the experience which you have as a person, you travel a lot and you see many different country rules. How you see here in UAE to establish a business?
It's amazing the kind of unwavering support that we have from the government, the vision, and the robust infrastructure, the ease of business initiatives that are set up in the country make it very comfortable and provide a great platform for businesses like us and many other businesses, any businesses, to grow, to thrive, and be more confident and spend more effort and time in innovation as well. Because your regulatory processes are so nicely set up and streamlined that it gives you ample time to spend on R&D, on innovation. So the forward thinking, the vision of the government is phenomenal here.
Mr. Ravi, Emarati program always choose a top and a good company with high recommendation. Let us to know about Kenzol Multi-Industrial, what you are providing here.
So we are manufacturing lubricants, and we are serving more than 40 countries worldwide. We have a combined production capacity of over 60,000 metric tons per year at the moment, and we are looking to scale that up as well. We are working very closely with our customers across the globe, so we have a kind of a global footprint. We are aware of many different cultures and the way the business processes are in different parts of the world. So that's about us. We are mainly a manufacturing company, but we've also ventured into trading in raw materials and sort of vertically integrating ourselves into other business lines as well within the industry.
I'm sure to reach to that level about the quality, we would like to know more about what's make you different. What's make you, we can say, one of the high competitor in the market.
So we are very close to our customers. We provide a very quick response time compared to the general industry, purely because because of the way I have empowered the team, and the team sort of has a authority to take the right decisions. In terms of product quality, we are having major OEM approvals like Mercedes, Porsche, Renault, Mac, Volvo, and the likes that have sort of given us the certification to, again, that's a testament to quality for the brand.
Right.
And it gives assurance to the clients that they're working with the right company and the right brand. So we've got OEM approvals. In addition to that, we've got a full-fledged lab facility where we do quality control tests at various levels, from the time the raw materials enter the plant to blending, to filling, to dispatching. There are multiple levels of tests just to make sure that once the product leaves the facility, it is 100% assured quality product that the client can just have blind trust in.
Right.
You know.
So, Kenzol, where is, if you talk about the sustainability, eco-friendly product, how you are caring about that, and what certificate you got it for?
Yes, so we are in compliant with ISO 14001 environment management system. And this is not just like a document per se. This is very well communicated across different levels of the organization. We've taken many measures to contribute towards the environment. For example, 2 years ago, we stopped using a generator here, and we invested heavily into getting the power from the grid, which helps reduce pollution, of course. So that's one. Then we are going into studies on how to use bulk packaging systems, which reduces the waste. We've got proper waste disposal programs, and the Free Zone Authority has been great in helping us with these measures. There are regular ambient air quality, noise levels, and chemical tests that are happening from time to time to make sure that we adhere to the environmental management standards. So we're very much focused on that.
So, let us to know about the backbone of your company, the team who work with you, how you select them, how you training them to keep always update within AI, new technology, artificial intelligence, which we see in the market, how they can use it, and how you invest on it also.
So it's a very special effort that we have put into our team, to building the right team, and it also helps to empower them. So I've spent especially a lot of time empowering them, giving them the tools to be able to perform, to be able to take the decisions independently. And that's how you get the results, rather than you have layers and layers of approval, which you see in traditional businesses and those kind of models.
Right.
Here we are very quick in the way we respond to the clients. We're directly approachable, and they always have questions that need to be answered, and we really, even at midnight, we are ready to respond. So it's that level of closeness with the stakeholders we have. So team building has been a very crucial part of our company, and I would say that the team is the backbone of the company today.
What's your vision? What the next?
Yeah, so it's funny how if this question was asked maybe 2 decades ago or even 10-15 years ago, it would have been fixed. A company could have a fixed vision. But now, with the way the markets are evolving, the competitive landscape that keeps changing, there's constant need for innovation. And I think that we have to keep revisiting the goals from time to time. So for us, we want to have a very diversified product portfolio, which includes marine lubricants, food grade lubricants, more synthetic lubricants for as part of the environmental management awareness programs. And we also want to get into bio-based lubricants. We have actually developed a product line for the EVs as well, because that's a rapidly changing landscape as well worldwide. So our vision if I have to say, would be to have a very diversified product portfolio as compared to the traditional product line that we have been using, yeah. And I want this to be minimum 20% of our total revenue in the next 2 years.
Important part to build a strong relation and to build this strong, we can say, trust with our client. How you build that relation and during the all 10 years which you are in the market, and also how you maintain this relation always.
This is coming as a result of integrity, which is one of our core values as a company. We are very transparent with our clients. We are very open with them in terms of communication. We make sure that there's a level of credibility that has been achieved, that we do not, let's say, make any false promises, or we are fully committed, and that level of integrity really helps us.
So let us to know a message you have today to your people who work with you, to the team who support you always, who believe on your vision. What you would like today to say to them?
I would say that you're empowered with all the tools to be able to take decisions. So continue to take decisions. Don't be afraid of making mistakes. Learn from them, and that makes it much more sustainable for the longer term, for the company to succeed.
Again, as a young entrepreneur, what's your advice to anyone who are planning to come to UAE to invest or to establish their business or to work in this peaceful country? What you would like to tell them from your experience as you grow up here in UAE?
Yeah, so I would say that firstly, you don't have to worry about safety and security. You're very comfortable here, and you've got the best lifestyle here. And you need to be persistent in whatever you're pursuing. Take decisions. If you don't take decisions, you're not going to be in the game. And don't be afraid of failing. That's just a step towards success. You learn from your mistakes, and make sure that you build a very, very good team and empower them so that they can take decisions and also help you in your long-term growth. And communicate with them regularly on the vision and the goals, and be very close to all your stakeholders, whether it is suppliers, clients, employees, or investors, or whoever is part of your ecosystem, because that helps you build a lot of credibility and trust, which is fundamental to anyone's success.
How you see the exhibition, the event which happened here in United Arab Emirates, how it's helped to build a good connect with the world?
Yes, absolutely. It's the strategic location of the country helps us to receive visitors from across the world. We've had visitors coming from as far as South America to Australia and different corners of the world.
More than 18 nationalities.
Yes, so it's amazing how we have been able to welcome so many different people from different corners of the world and gain that kind of exposure. And that helps us with stronger branding, which is one of our goals as well, to be one of the top homegrown lubricant brands through strong branding and thought leadership. So these events are very fundamental to our success.
My best wishes for you.
Thank you so much.
Ravi, personally, if you have a message, the people who support you, who are close to you, who are believe on you also, for who you will say that, I know these people.
Yes, I would say thank you to my father, who's believed in me, Mr. Dev Gulani, who's also believed in me, who's a partner with us, and my team, my entire team that is with us, our clients. Because of them we wouldn't exist. So our partners, I would call them. So these are the main stakeholders, and of course the government, the state. Their support is phenomenal. That's the foundation.
More than 280 nationalities, the best ecosystem, the best healthcare, the best education which we have in UAE, which help us to grow and to live with our family in peace.
Yes, absolutely. Well, thank you for providing us with this kind of infrastructure, the platform that we have, and it also helps us to gain more awareness to different cultures, to adapt to these kind of kind of knowledge that we gain through exposure to this. So it's amazing how the diversity helps us as well.
Big thanks to our regional leaders and to our government, and we wish for you always the best, Mr. Ravi. My best wishes for you, and thank you for the time to the Emirati program. Best of wishes.
Thank you so much.